Ever found yourself humming a tune that's stuck in your head, wondering where you heard it? Chances are, it's one of these viral TikTok dances that took the world by storm. Put your music knowledge to the test and see if you can guess these catchy beats. Grab your dancing shoes and let's dive in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Can you guess this viral TikTok dance that went viral recently?
Everything you took from me. I'm too fast, I'm too bad. Push my foot up.
Yes, it's with Odateri's latest hit, Keep It Up. Can you guess which song Speed is dancing to here? Yes, you guessed it right, Not My Problem by Lila. This 2024 viral hit took over all of social media. Can you figure it out?
I be dirty dancing, now the yelling gravy Swayze.
Damn, baby, you so vicious, you so clean.
Betty by Young Gravy. You're right, this guy made the whole world fall in love with this song in 2021. Can you guess it?
I'll be fucked up if you can't be right. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. I told you
Yes, it's Stay by the Kid Laroi and Justin Bieber. This one won't take you long to guess. Taken from an iconic Marvel movie released this year, this song took over the internet.
I can't take no more. It ain't no lie. I wanna see you out there.
Yes, it's none other than Bye 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 by NSYNC, which went viral after being featured in Deadpool and Wolverine. This legendary song is a classic, but only started going viral last year.
The mic turn to a million, then we all rich. That's just how I feel. The last one not to get.
Yup, it's Kendrick Lamar's Money Trees. Enough of the retro. This catchy song went viral recently, but you should still be able to get it.
Then I can feel. Oh, oh, oh. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me?
Yes, it's APT by the K-pop idol Rose and superstar Bruno Mars. This sassy dance took the internet by storm in August. Can you guess this song?
お金稼ぐ俺らはスターお金
Yes, another Megan Thee Stallion banger, Mamushi. This one's another one from 2023. Trust this one might be a little hard.
angles. Ooh, we go crazy like Rambo.
Every good girl needs a little love, Doechie's biggest hit. What it is. Let's switch genres to K-pop. Can you guess this viral dance?
Cause I don't ever do this. With my eyes on you, so I can't.
Yes, it's B.I. and Soulja Boy's 2022 hit, BTBT. This song really captured everyone's heart. Yes, it's Love Nwantiti by CK. This crazy addictive dance should be familiar to you. Can you guess it?
Bumper, then twerk it. Miss, if you got a bumper, then shake it. Vibrate it.
Yes, it is Embrace by N-Dots. This one's going to give you nostalgia for sure. Hint, it's a viral song from 2021.
See, you can reciprocate. I got.
Yes, the song is Woman by pop sensation Doja Cat. Undeniably, 2021 was Doja Cat's year. Can you guess another one of her viral songs from the dance?
I don't really got no tights.
I just wanna fuck all night.
Yes, it's Need to Know by Doja Cat. This catchy dance had us all glued to our screens in 2024. When I dip, you dip, we dip. Yes, it's The Dip by Freak Nasty. We know, another Doja Cat dance, but her songs are literally made for TikTok dances.
Shoddy, call him Ed Sheeran, he in love with my body. Get into it, yo. Pop out with a truck, huh? Get into it.
It is indeed Get Into It by Doja Cat. This dance is different from the high-energy crazy ones. Can you guess the song?
I am needed, another hoe got me finished, bro.
All Girls Are the Same by Juice WRLD. R.I.P. legend. This song gives out major 2020 lockdown vibes. Can you guess it?
Savage love, did somebody break your heart? Look.
Yes, it's Savage Love by Jason Derulo. This banger of a song went viral multiple times. Can you guess it?
Try not to be obsessed with. I fucked up, old girl, I know.
Yep, it's another TikTok song, I Know by Connie. This beat drop in this song makes us want to bop our heads. Can you figure it out?
Was heaven, you're a bad thing. I know.
Yes, it's another 2020 hit, Super Lonely by Beneath. This is one of the OG TikTok dance trends. Let us know if you get this.
Made so you bagged him. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet.
Savage by none other than Megan Thee Stallion. Yes, sometimes TikTok gives us the most adorable trends. Can you guess this couple's dance?
There's nothing like it, not like the way you move.
Yes, it's the famous Disco by the band Surf Curse. This dance went completely viral this year, with this English-Portuguese song topping the charts. Yes, it's Alibi by Seb Deliza. Can you guess these smooth buttery moves? No, the song isn't called It's Gone. It is Mariah Carey's It's a Rap. It seems like SZA really has a type in men, and that's what this song's about. You got an idea yet? Yes, it's the 2023 TikTok audio Big Boys by SZA. Another Jason Derulo hint went crazy viral this year. Can you guess it?
She said she's from the...
Yes, Jason Derulo cooked with this song along with Frozy and Tomo. It is From the Islands. This dance looks easy, but you'll realize how difficult it is if you try it. Yep, the song is Diva from the controversial megastar Beyonce. The Weeknd is no stranger to catchy beats, but this one stands out. Can you guess the song?
Lock me up and throw away the key. He knows how to do.
Yes, it's The Weeknd's collaboration with K-pop sensation Jennie, One of the Girls. The hand gestures in this viral dance should give it away, but can you guess this song?
Two girls in the cut, and I don't know what to do. I fell in love with...
Yes, it's New Drop by Don Toliver, or maybe you know it better as Two Girls in the Cut song. Yeah, sorry guys, we can't stop letting Doja Cat get into this list. Can you guess her 2024 hit from this dance?
That get to my head. I don't care. I paint the town red.
Yes, it's Paint the Town Red by Doja Cat. The outfit in this iconic dance resembles the character in a famous TV show. Got any ideas?
I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands above my head.
Yes, it's from the show Wednesday, with the song being Bloody Mary by Lady Gaga. This memorable song from an up-and-coming artist had us all grooving. Can you guess the song?
Yeah, you looking at me like on some sweet escape. Obvious.
Yes, it's Greedy by Tate McRae. Feel-good summer songs have to be our favorite. Can you guess this one from the dance? If you guessed Tommy Rich Man's $1 Million Baby, you're absolutely right. As crazy as some of these dances get, some of them are just hilarious. Can you guess this funny TikTok trend? Yep, the song is Yeah Yeah Yeahs by Maps. Brazilian funk music, anyone? The gym bros could probably figure this one out. Yep, the song is Toma Toma by Montagym. Can you guess this dance? Here's a hint, it's from a K-pop girl group formed this year.
This time I want you. Like it's my
It is indeed Magnetic from the K-pop band ILLIT. Can you guess which Spanish songs this absolutely jacked man is dancing to? It is Gasolina by Spanish celebrity Daddy Yankee. This 2019 song was one of the first hits on TikTok. Can you guess this iconic song?
Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox.
Drop your answer in the comments below. How many did you get right? Let us know your score in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your meme-loving friends. And if you think you're a meme master, stay tuned for our challenge and let's see if you can keep up with the meme trends too.